Shah, Rahul goes into the lead. Gulveer follows. Yunus on his turn. Shalab also there. The four protagonists in this 1500-meter race. Gulveer attempting it first time in India, having come from the US and broken a mile record. Now trying to make a mark in the 1500. He already has records in 1 mile, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 21 kilometers, 25 kilometers.
362, the man on the fire, Gambhir Singh of Rajasthan. That is the blue ribbon event here at the Kalinga Stadium, and my heart is pumping. A great goosebump already has given by Sarvesh. A fabulous day. We love to commentate here. Rupender Singh, Muthu and Jamil. I mean, this is really a wonderful day. 362. Gambhir Singh is still leading the pack, but that is going to be a blue ribbon event. Gulveer Singh is sandwiched in between Gambhir and Rahul Baloda. Superb race. 15s are vying for excellence.
And this looks more like a tactical race. They haven't started really fast, aiming for a fast time, but they look that they have 342 in their sights, not a national record. Gulveer taking it easy, looking to win the event rather than come up with a sensational time.
And new leader, there will be a frequent change. It's anybody's race because we have seen the qualification rounds. It's a close bunch, going amazing. The men's 1500-meter final. The Asian qualification mark is 3 minute 42.00 second. Number 228 is leading the pack.
Now it is 431 Yunus Shah of Uttar Pradesh.
This is the race we were waiting for. Yunus versus Gulveer. They both got themselves into very good positions as they come towards the end of the lap, where the bell will ring and they will go for their final lap.
So Gulveer here is sandwiched between the Yunus Shah
And Rahul Baloda.
in Baloda, but it can be anybody's race.
Yunus making an early attack. Gulveer has to respond. Yunus, the sprinter, going all out. Gulveer has to respond. 300 meters to go. 2:57 on the clock. Gulveer being pushed even by Rahul. Yunus seems to have it wrapped up. Rahul chasing, Gulveer following.
And don't underestimate the position number 2. Fantastic race here. What a day here at the 1500 meter. The Asian Game qualification 3:42. Gulveer still struggling.
Will Gulveer come into his own in the final 100 meters? The endurance of Gulveer against the pace, the speed of Yunus Shah. Gulveer's endurance, Yunus speed. Yunus going away from Gulveer. Both of them having qualified. What a timing. 3:37.51 unofficially. First three look like being under the qualification mark of 3:42. The race really living up to its expectations. 3:37, 3:38 was what we were expecting. A personal best for Yunus Shah.